Hey guys, welcome to another episode of PV Garage. If you're enjoying the content so far, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. In today's episode, we're going to be removing and installing the glove box door on my B5 S4. This is applicable to an A4 as well. And in fact, you're only going to need one tool to do this. Flathead. So the first thing we need to do is lower this to a lowered position. There's two stops here, and there's also a damper on the left hand side. I'm going to disconnect that first. So you can see it just inside here. So if you reach in with your hand, you're going to be able to unhook it from the bottom. You can see here it's got a pin, and there's a hook on the door itself, and you just push it back and it disconnects. Now for these stops here, you're just going to pull the door inwards and it will release the stop and the door will drop down. Now that it's in this position, you can see that there are two pins, hinge pins, that we'll remove next, and then the door will be completely free. So using your flat blade screwdriver, you can just press that clip that holds the pin in towards the back. Do both sides, and then you can remove the pin. You can use your flat blade to just push it out, give you some help. Get it started, then you can remove it the rest of the way with your hands. It's a bit tight, but it comes out. Do the other side and remove the door. Installation is the reverse of removal process. We'll bring it into position, insert our pins. There we go. For the clips, they just slide in the groove on the pin. Just press them on by hand. Bring the door back up. Watch out for your damper. Do your stops first, and then connect the damper by just pulling it forward into the hook. And that's it, all done.